Hello everyone, today we're heading out with Augustas to drive on ice track. This year ice tracks popped up everywhere in Lithuania like never before. You could probably find at least one in every district. We're going to Ledo Ratai Radviliškis track since it's the closest where we live. The Range Rover is completely unsuitable for this kind of driving. 35-inch mud terrain tires are more slippery than the ice itself. So we successfully tested every snowbank on the outside of the corners. Good thing the bumpers sit high. A few turns we managed to take a bit cleaner, but only when driving very slowly. While we were parked, Augustas calmly flew the drone around to see how others were struggling on the slippery surface. We got permission to do a few test drives on the snow fields. So for the final run we headed across the snow-covered field to bench around in the snow a bit more.
Trasos nebetinsimės. Kažkur tai yra keliuks tokie karjerą. Čia mūsų. Pažiūrėsiu, kaip giliai čia tas sniega. Kur tu taip toli nuvarei? Čia vis tiek atskridai. Viskas.
The drone ended up crashing into a snowdrift. So that was probably a sign we had enough. We put the drone on the dashboard to dry and headed home. Driving on tracks like this is actually a very useful way to spend your free time, especially in a cold and slippery winter like this. It's worth practicing your control on slick surfaces so that if the car suddenly starts sliding, you know what to do, because brakes won't necessarily help you in that moment. And to finish video, a slightly unexpected rescue of the rescuers. On Sunday evening, the same company that once brought me home with a broken CV axle called and asked for help. How could I say no? You can't just leave people shoveling all night. First, we pulled out Discovery that was badly hung up on its belly, wheels digging deep holes. Then we went to rescue an Audi that's got a little lost and drove straight into a very deep snowdrifts.
Nieko nesimato, kas blogiausias. Bijau, kai man reikia apsisukti. O dabar prisidirbau jaučiu. Laisvė.
That's it for this time. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.